onna. Onna are ghosts that appear when it rains. A depraved old crone soaking wet with rainwater and summons the rain wherever they go. While this could save villages from drought and be good for farmers, their intentions are far from good. Not even close. Onna look for newborn children and kidnap them and spirit them away. In present-day Japan, onna, or the male version, otoko, refers to people that seem to jinx special events with rain that follow them wherever they go. Do you know any onna or otoko? Because I do. Nanchatte.